I'm doing another one of these videos. I tried following so-and-so's hair tutorial, and this time I'm going to be following MissKenK, and she is doing pin curls, and I've never done pin curls, so yeah, let's just do it. And I didn't watch the whole video, I watched some of it. No, she got some hair mousse and she got some oil, and I got some other stuff here just in case.
Hey, it's Kendra here, MissKenK, and welcome back to my channel. These curls were done on my natural texture hair. It wasn't altered, it wasn't blow dried, it wasn't flat ironed.
Okay, so she has Lotta Body, coconut, and shea oils, wrap me foaming mousse. I don't know what that is, and I'm cheap, so I went to Dollar Tree, you know, the lifesaver. I found some hair mousse, but yeah, I didn't want to spend money on something that just for a video. $1.08 is my budget, so. Bobby pins.
So we're going to start off with a medium-sized section of hair. Pump a little on the ends and kind of work it up. You want a little bit. You see it's kind of foamy now, okay? We're going to smooth out the hair now. Make sure all of the hair strands are smooth.
Ooh, it smells. Oh gosh, wow. I don't think I like this.
Place your finger here.
I don't think I can work this up. It's like super dry. Ow, my thumb. I mean my, whatever that is, index finger. Wow, that's very dry. She shoots. She scores. Yeah. I need a comb. Damn, I didn't bring a comb. Well, I brought this. I'm just gonna use this. Hold on. Oh, okay. Feels so drying. Oh god. Oh god, I hate it. She shoots. She scores. Yeah.
So place your finger here, and then ensure that your ends are tucked. Now we're going to twist up. Okay?
What? What?
Ends are tucked. Now.
What?
So place your finger here.
Okay.
And then ensure that your ends are tucked. Now we're going to.
My ends is my whole hair.
Okay. What? Remove it from your finger and flatten it where it lands.
What?
Okay, and then you're just going to take your pin and you're going to pin it down. Okay?
I don't understand.
Bam.
Okay, let's just try the second method. I don't know what the heck that was.
I'm going to take my finger to the root,
Root.
and I'm going to twist it around my finger.
Only twist like twice.
Okay? Just like that. I'm going to twirl it around and bring it to the top. Do you see how it's pulling at my roots to stretch
Ow.
them? Okay?
Yes, I
Push
feel
it
it.
down off your finger and hold it where it lands.
Ooh!
Take your bobby pin and pin it down. And there you have it. Do you see that? It's much more tighter at my root than this one is.
Let hair dry overnight or sit under a dryer. I'm gonna sit under a dryer because I ain't got time. Basically, I won't be doing it with her because she only did 2 on camera. Why am I putting more? No, don't do that. Let's just work it in. Okay. I don't know what she did on that part. Oh, okay. Now how do I take my finger? Ow! What? My brain is confused. Ow. Ow, I'm stabbing myself. You got this. I believe in you. Oh, I kind of did it. 1 down. Alright. It might turn out well if I just choose to not to give up and actually try. She shoots. She scores. Yeah. Extremely crappy. Ow, ow, ow. Taking it off my finger is not an easy task. Oh. She shoots. She scores. Yeah. Ow. Yeah, the crowd goes wild. What? Last one, and then I'm gonna turn off the camera. Alright. My hands feel gross. Everything feels gross. I hate this so much. Well. That took 2 hours to do. I was going to blow dry it and then just take it out tonight, but what's the point? It's already nighttime. I'm just gonna sleep in this and then take it out in the morning.
Good morning, and we're ready to take these pin curls out. So I'm gonna remove my scarf. What I'm gonna be using on my hair now is some oil. And if you guys don't have a misto, you're crazy. It has a little spray, and then you would just spray your hair, just like hairspray or something. So this is just olive oil that I've sprayed on my hair. Okay, make sure your hands remain coated with an oil so that
tender.
you can prevent any frizz.
That's a laugh.
Now I'm just gonna take out these bobby pins, and then we're gonna start unraveling.
Oh my god, that is tender. Better be.
Look at that. Woo! It's gonna be so pretty.
I hope
Everyone
so.
thinks, okay, you guys, now that we've taken all of our bobby pins out.
No, we have not. No, we have not. This joint hurts. Oh, Lord. Jesus Christ, how many sections did I do? Okay, I think I'm done now. Is that my hair or is that a bobby pin? I think that's my hair. Stiff. Okay, I'm done now. Nope. Wait. Oh, there's one. Okay, I'm done for real this time. Oh, Lord. Oh, my Lord. Ooh.
So now we're just gonna separate, as you guys know. I separate to my heart's desire because I love a lot of fullness. So I'm just going to separate this hair, honey. Alright, so I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to raise the roots of my hair to give myself more of a...
Of course I forgot my pick.
Don't be afraid of this part. Don't be afraid to lose the definition. Our hair is very defined. We're just raising the roots.
Ooh, so tender. Oh, this is great. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Just like with the Bantu knots, I can't really fluff it too much because it's like so tightly wound that the pick won't really go through. Tender, my nigga. Tender. It's not too bad. I mean, it's not too good either, but it's not too bad. It's like super not defined at the ends, but it's cool. It doesn't matter because I'm about to wash my hair anyways. She shoots. She scores. Yeah. I feel like this would have turned out much better if I had stuck to my original plan and did this video before I cut my hair. So yeah, had to do it on my hair while it was short. And I feel like it would have turned out better if it was longer, but it's still cool. It's not that good and it's not that bad.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I got high as the expectations. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it.